Can you clean rims and tires with just one product? With Wheels and Tires Cleaner by Mafra, you can. Rims and tires are the most noted parts of any car. For some, looking after rims and tires is rightly just as important as taking care of the bodywork. However, up to now, there were no products to wash both quickly and with outstanding results. And now there is. In fact, Mafra has created a 2-in-1 formula to perfectly clean rims and deep clean tires, guaranteeing longer-lasting polish, which is applied later to shine the tire. Sometimes, perfect tires and shiny rims really can make a difference. Just spray Wheels and Tires Cleaner over the entire rim, the tire, and the wheel arch, leaving it to work for a minute. Wheels and Tires Cleaner is different from other products on the market. Its active foam has a penetrating effect to dissolve ferrous residue on brakes and penetrates tire threads. Tires often seem clean, but that's not always the case. Wheels and Tires Cleaner works to remove the most stubborn dirt, such as soil absorbed over time, which could then scratch bodywork when it transfers onto the sponge used for washing. When the foam turns brown, it means the product has worked and is ready for rinsing without having to wipe it off. Wheels and Tires Cleaner can also be used on vintage rims with two-tone tires. Just spray the product to return them to past splendor. Wheels and Tires Cleaner is a special product because it comes from the Mafra detailing line. It's strong, powerful, and safe. This product was developed for professionals, but is now available to everyone. If you want this treatment too on your car, you can easily find this product in the best retail shops. For further details on the Wheels and Tires Cleaner, as well as on all other products by Mafra, please send an email to info@mafra.it. You won't be able to live without it.